Pinalawak pa ng Development Bank of the Philippines ang pagsusulong sa inclusive education. Bukod sa college students, sakop na rin ng Inspire program nito ang mga high school. Yan ang agenda report ni Pierre Pastor.
Ikalawang taon na ngayon ng DBP Integrated Scholastic Program for Inclusive and Responsive Education o DBP Inspire na nagbibigay ng full scholarship sa mga estudyante mula sa iba't ibang sulok ng Pilipinas bilang bahagi ng kanilang corporate social responsibility. Noong nakaraang taon, mahigit 400 estudyante ang napag-aral ng DBP. For 2026-2027, sa budget na 96.75 billion pesos, 500 students ang target nilang mapag-aral.
A portion of our earnings on a yearly basis, we save really because we have what you call a corporate social responsibility. So we have a budget for that. And so we do allocate every year, over the years. We want our students to concentrate on studying. That's the whole point. We pay for the tuition and some out-of-pocket expenses so they can really just concentrate on studying and doing well.
Ang DBP Inspire ay isang 5-year omnibus program na magbibigay tulong sa mga college student na kumukuha ng priority courses na aligned with the Philippine Development Plan for 2023 to 2028, gaya ng accountancy, education, engineering, agriculture and forestry, and information technology. Sa taong ito, pati high school students ay isasama na rin. Pumirma na ng Memorandum of Agreement ang DBP at 11 partner schools para sa Inspire program ngayong taon. Kabilang dito ang pamantasan ng lungsod ng Maynila, Cebu Normal University, West Visayas State University at Mindanao State University. May private higher education institutions din nakasama, gaya ng STI Education Services Group, Cebu Institute of Technology University at Holy Child Central College Incorporated.
The partner schools are the ones that vet the students. It's part of the agreement. The validation and the vetting is done by the partner schools. On the part of DBP, for as long as they meet the criteria that we have set, then the scholars are accepted into the program.
Ang DBP ang 9th largest bank sa Pilipinas with 1.041 trillion in total assets. Ito ay nagbibigay suporta sa 4 na priority sectors ng Philippine economy: infrastructure and logistics, micro, small and medium enterprises, environment, at social services and community development. Naniniwala ito sa transformative power of education para maiangat ang buhay ng mga Pilipino. Para sa Agenda, Pierre Pastor, Billionaire News Channel.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Billionaire News Channel. Sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga eksklusibong balita at storya.